platform 1. Again. Third express train. Again. Avanti!
Oh,
I'm off! Oh, there it is! This is Trains Massacre! So we're going to hang around for that one at 27, and if I take you to platform 2, there's one 2 minutes before the one on platform 1. So we're definitely going to hang around for them. So I guess I'll see you when another train comes, guys. Here we go. The platform 2 stopper. Here it is. There it is. Up in the distance there, guys. Look. Up there. And I can zoom out now. Because it looks close there, but look where it is there. But I'm going to also have to rush over to platform 1 because there's one in 2 minutes over there. It's a London North Western Railway going to Birmingham International. People getting off. It's a Graham Taylor OBE train. It's a Graham Taylor and OBE. Here come people. Oh, I'm going to head over. Now there's one on one. I said I'd have to rush, guys, didn't I? I'll watch it go. Here. And here comes the stopper here. So, here it is, guys. I'm gonna head on down the platform, guys. Down to this bench. Right at the end of the train. Look, there's the end of the train. That's the angle we're gonna get it up to. Platform 2. 1? How? Is there an express here? Guys, how is this happening? Seconds ago, that express came through. Look, literally. That light is still red. So how not? Oh, I can hear it. I can hear it. It's going to have to stop here. So I'm an express train. It's going to stop here. Still a red light. So I don't exactly see how this is happening, guys. Yeah, this is quite confusing. There's the 11. And up there, the bus. Oh, it's green. The train can now come. Yeah, the light's green now. Look. I wonder if... Yeah, he's stopped now, so he can go through full speed, can't he? I don't even know if that train will be at Adderley Park yet. Go! No. I don't know. Do you think? I don't know. What else do you think the goods or go? It's one of them two, I know it. Goods. Pun? I think this is a goods train, I think. Because it's still not come. It is a goods train indeed.